I'm telling you guys, literally only one text post made me over $1,400. Yes, one text post, not even a reel. No, I didn't boost the post. No, I wasn't paying for ads. And no, I absolutely was not selling something in this text post. Just strictly organic content on Facebook. Let me show you guys exactly what I did. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. Hey guys, my name is Viva. And for over a decade, I've been living my dream out as a full-time influencer and successful online business owner. So in my 12 years of being on social media, I've been able to build 2 successful 6-figure businesses. I'm able to do this all while being home and spending time with my children whom I homeschool, and we're also living in the Dominican Republic. So the goal with this channel is to help you guys achieve the same time freedom as well as financial success. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Not for me, but really for you guys. I'm here to serve as a resource to help you guys build your brand and boost your income. So let me tell you guys exactly how this happened to me. So I had been posting continuously, staying consistent with posting on Facebook, posting quotes, posting reels, posting photos, relatable content, nothing crazy. Just basically posts that people will actually share, posts that people are able to relate to. Was it running any type of ads? I was not boosting my posts, and I literally honestly was not even trying to go viral. I just knew that Facebook had this new program because they sent me the notification, and I wanted to actually see how much money I would be able to make with this new Facebook program. And boom, one post literally changed everything. I'm talking thousands of shares and millions of views. And that's how I made my first $1,400 using this Facebook content monetization program. Now, here is the actual post that made me that $1,400. As you guys can see here, there's nothing special about this post. No selfies involved. I did not have to show my face. I didn't have to do any fancy editing. But you know what? This post was real and it was relatable. And a lot of people felt this way, but they were unable to say it. Although you guys can see that this post got thousands of reactions and comments, the most important thing when it comes to making money with this program is going to be the shares. Shares is literally where the magic is going to happen. Facebook absolutely loves reshareable content because content that is reshareable, it spreads like a wildfire. And once Facebook sees that, it will start pushing out that content even further. So mind you, this is just when I received the invitation for this program. So I was still kind of trying out the program to see if it would actually pay a good amount of money. A few hours after I posted that quote and it started getting so much engagement, I then received a notification that looked like this. Basically, it's saying that they're going to increase and push out my posts more because I'm creating high quality content. They picked up on that because of the shares. So I really think this piece of content, this quote, this text did so well because it touched a subject that everyone feels, but not everyone is going to speak on. Stuff where someone might relate to you and feel the same way, but they might be too afraid to say it. But once they see the post, they see it and they think like, oh my gosh, this is so relatable. When it comes to posting on Facebook, you're not just posting to post, you're posting to connect with people. Now, keep in mind that post was just one of the posts that I had hit over $1,000. I have multiple posts just like that. So the entire key with this program and posting text and quotes, you want to stay consistent, and you also want to make sure you're posting text and quotes that is going to resonate with a lot of people. Facebook just basically paid me for how many people saw the post and actually interacted with the post. So not only is this Facebook monetization program making me the most money, but it's also allowing me to make the most money while doing the least work. So if you're someone who likes to talk, you're someone who has something to say, post it. It's not just influencers or celebrities that is utilizing this Facebook monetization program. It's regular everyday people. Hell, you can even do this faceless. There are so many people that are taking advantage of this program and they're doing it faceless. Now, because I like my videos to provide a lot of value and actually give you guys steps and strategies that you can take earning the same amount of money, here's exactly how you're going to be able to provide value on Facebook so you can make the most out of this program as well. I don't want you guys to be mistaken. When I say provide value, it does not mean you have to sell ebooks or give a full-blown course. It just means giving people something that they can feel, relate to, or actually use. So here's a few different ways you can do exactly just that. The thing you could do is share quotes that match your story or things you have experienced in life. Remember, people will always connect with real. So the second thing you can do is give quick tips from things you have learned from experience, basically from life, whether it's parenting, owning a business, social media, or anything that you are experienced in, you can give tips on it. The third thing you can do is actually tell many stories. Simple posts about an experience that you have been through can definitely go viral. This is if you know exactly how to pour emotion into your stories. Fourth thing you can do is actually repost content that inspires you. But when you repost content, don't just copy and paste. You want to take that content and put your perspective on it. And that's just going to make the entire post seem more personal. I want you guys to remember that value is anything that's going to make someone pause, feel something, and actually go ahead and share that post. You guys, please, when you are posting on social media, do not overthink it, because that is what holds so many people back. I want you guys to remember these things. Stop trying to be perfect. People relate with real. I want you guys to post like you're texting your best friend, not like you're at a job interview. Most importantly, I need you guys to stick with your story, who you are, your personality, and your style. Goal is for you to attract your people, like the people that wants to see your content, the people that's looking for your content, the people that love your personality, the people that will resonate with you. Because let's face it, a lot of the time, people like we just don't resonate with everyone. Like some people might not like me. I don't know why, but that's just how it is. So I just spend my time focusing on the people who actually love my content and appreciate things that I post. And if you ever second guess posting and you feel like you don't want to make a post, I want you guys to ask yourself, if I make this post and someone sees it, will it make them feel better? If I make this post and someone sees it, will it help them? If I make this post and someone sees it, will it inspire that person? If the answer is yes, then post that post. So if you're ready to start getting paid with this new Facebook content monetization program, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be dropping a lot more content around this program, because I'm just making so much money and I want to make sure that you guys are able to do the same thing. And if you're someone that's looking for the best times to post on Facebook, you're looking for different content niches and ideas, I need you guys to be checking in the description for my content monetization ebook. Listen, my content monetization ebook is out here changing lives. Like this customer here, I love when they send me screenshots of how she was stuck at $20 and now she's in the hundreds. Right now, she's currently at $800 and she was stuck at $20 before she purchased my ebook. So if you guys are interested in that digital product, I'm linking it below. You can find it in the description. I'm also going to pin it in the comments. So that is going to complete today's video. I hope you guys found this video very helpful. I'm also going to link up here a playlist for all the videos I have done in the past few weeks on this Facebook monetization program, so you guys can watch that here. But remember, I highly encourage you guys to check out the ebook so you're skipping all the guesswork and you can go straight to earning. So that is going to complete today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace and much love, you guys. Bye.